Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coleslaw at home. This easy method uses simple ingredients you likely already have. We'll start by gathering our fresh vegetables and then move on to creating a creamy, tangy dressing. Get ready to enjoy a classic side dish that's perfect for any meal, made fresh in your own kitchen in just a few steps. First, let's prepare our vegetables. You'll want to finely shred about 4 cups of green cabbage and 1 cup of red cabbage for a nice mix of color and texture. Next, grate 2 medium carrots. This adds a lovely sweetness and a pop of orange. Remember to wash and dry all your vegetables thoroughly before you begin shredding and grating. Now for the heart of our coleslaw, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for that perfect tang. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until smooth. The final step is to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your shredded cabbage and carrots with the creamy dressing you just made. Stir everything until all the vegetables are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.